make our pasta bolognese with toasted garlic bread, and it only takes 10 minutes.
Right. Okay, we're gonna start with one large, high-quality stainless steel pot. Now, watch how easy it is. We're gonna press combo cook. Now, this allows me to set the time and temperature for whatever I'm cooking. With this recipe, we're gonna do 5 minutes on pressure cook and 5 minutes on air fry, and we are done.
Perfect. Let's add our ingredients. We got our pasta. You want to go ahead? The frozen vegetables work great for this. You can add the broth, frozen ground beef. Perfect. No need to plan ahead. All right, in goes our tomato paste. Beautiful. Let's add a little salt to bring all those flavors together, right? Now, on goes the pressure lid and this Sherlock sign that guarantees that it's secure and safe, right? We hit touch and go. Now the Duet becomes the ultimate pressure cooker, speeding up cooking time, but also locking in all those precious nutrients and flavors.
Okay, our 5 minutes is done. So let's take a look inside. Oh, wow, look at that. All right, Jeffrey, I'm gonna give this a good stir while you pour in some Parmesan cheese for that ooey gooey cheesy taste we all love.
Beautiful. Now, this is where your regular pressure cooker stops, but the Duet with its dual lid design continues, allowing you to add lots of flavors and texture to your meal, and that is the key to great tasting food.
All right, we already sprinkled some garlic powder all over this pre-cut biscuit dough. Place them on top, just like that. And there you go.
All right, beautiful. Ooh. Now remember, not only is the Duet a standalone pressure cooker and a standalone grill, but it's also a standalone air fryer. So on goes the powerful air fry lid. This thing is like a high-powered restaurant broiler shooting down lightning bolts of flavor and crisp texture.
And press touch and go, and we're air frying just like that.
Okay, we barely had time to set the table, and our meal is ready. You want to take a peek?
Yes.
All right, check this out.
Oh, wow.
Pasta bolognese with toasted garlic bread, right? And this is enough for the entire family.
That's right, but look at it. It's golden on top. The cheese is bubbling, and it's ooey gooey. We love it. Wow, I gotta try that.
Look at that.
You know, I just love how the pasta and cheese flavors are all blended. The top is crunchy, and the garlic toast is crusty. It's perfect.
And normally this would take an arsenal of pots, pans, strainers. We did it all in one pot and in less time than it would take to boil the pasta water, so cleanup is a breeze.
So, what's for dinner? How about chicken again? Even if you're chicken chef extraordinaire and can recite 20 ways to serve up chicken thighs, we know a multi-cooker that'll help with the heavy lifting. In other words, you may often find yourself paying zero attention to any other pot or pan in the kitchen since you have a Kasori multi-cooker on your counter. And it is seriously multi-cooking. Fry your chicken, bake your chicken, blacken your chicken, slow cook your chicken, or make some yogurt. You know, for the chicken you just seared. And yes, it makes rice. And hey, you can bake a cake too, for dessert, if you want. It's all possible with 12 programs in one elegant machine. It's super safe to use. There's a removable rubber gasket that helps maintain cooking temperatures, and it keeps the lid in place. The design of it also prevents water accumulation. Simply remove it when you clean up. Also small but important, heat-friendly handles. And after all the chicken's gone, place the glass lid and inner pot in the washer, and you're all done. Beautiful. Get it all done with the Cosori multi-cooker. And live life tastefully.
The new KitchenAid multi-cooker delivers amazing versatility and consistent culinary results. Over 10 cooking methods, including 4 step-by-step modes, simplify cooking using precise and consistent even heat technology. Sauté or steam vegetables or chicken without additional cookware. Simmer a bisque or sauce to perfection one day, then slow cook savory cassoulet the next. Start a busy day with Irish porridge and berry compote, and finish it with a perfectly seared melt-in-your-mouth roast. It's one cooking vessel with amazing versatility. The optional stir tower can mix, flip, stir, and incorporate fresh ingredients at the start. Stir intermittently or throughout the entire cooking process. Prepare risottos, soups, rice, and even yogurt with one button, as your multi-cooker simplifies complex cooking sequences and temperatures for you. Or make dishes like coconut curry shrimp and vegetables effortlessly. Discover how easy gourmet cooking can be with your KitchenAid multi-cooker.